Oh, laundry day, with all these black socks to sort out into pairs. But I've got a secret and I'll show it to you. At night when I'm watching the news on television, I do some sewing, and this is what I do. I sort the socks out into pairs and I sew a little mark on each pair. Can you see that? A red and a green little oversew. So that's easy, that's a pair, and I've got it together, and so I can stick that on. Let's see if I can find another pair. Ah, yes, these are easy too. Look, can you see the red color? Red along there. So there's another pair. It's just a quick and easy way to have your pairs together and sort everything out nice and quickly without going through every single sock and trying to work it out. Lots of other brilliant, did I say that, brilliant ideas in Elegance in Cold Waters. And what else is quite useful is that the book is in French and in English. For instance, there's something, oh, I need it, about chin in English, and then in French it's l'ovale, l'ovale de visage. And so you can improve your French vocabulary, or you can just read the book yourself and then give it to a friend who's working on their French. Voila, that's all for today. So, goodbye.